Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.